colleagues a text to say, pull up my courtroom on YouTube just to double check, it should be going now. Unless there's anything else you want to talk about off the record. Are the parties good on off the record conversations at this point?
I have nothing else.
I have nothing else.
I have nothing else.
I'm standing in.
Okay. All right, so just tell one of your colleagues to double check, it should be going.
So I should tell them that there's not going to be anything on YouTube. Is that it?
No, YouTube's going. Tell them to make sure, I'm telling them to double check. I'm telling you, because you said the issue about the other courtroom, to send one of your colleagues a text saying, double check my courtroom on YouTube and make sure the feed is going live. It's going live now.
Okay, I'll check right now, Judge. I didn't understand. Sorry.
All right. All right, so, all right, I'm trying to pinpoint a name here to get Mr. Walling out of the way right away.
You have the file.
Oh, hold on, man. Let me keep looking. Yeah, no. So is Mark Stewart, is he just identifying himself as Mark Stewart, which is really short for Marcel Stewart? Spelling his name M-A-R-K. Sir, good morning. You have identified yourself as Mark Stewart, M-A-R-K. Mr. Stewart, is that short for Marcel, or is your name indeed Mark?
My name is Mark.
All right, thank you, Mr. Stewart. You will be returned to the waiting room for now.
All right.
You have files, I can take a look. Tell you what I'll do.
Mark. Gallant Stewart, Marcel Stewart, Mark. I think this is Gallant Stewart.
Okay, he'll be with the group that I'm gonna say we're still reviewing evidence. Okay.
Prosecution group?
Yeah.
All right, I'll start with Christopher Smith.
Can I make another copy of that list so we both have one?
Yes.
That might be an easier way to do this.
Yeah. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do it alphabetically off you.
Okay.
That'll be Mr. Sayer first. All right, thank you. Now I can keep her. All right, Kevin Sayer is first up the bat.
Judge, do you want me to put my appearance on the record for each of these cases?
Absolutely. SP 110033, SP 110044, People v. Kevin Patrick Sayer. Appearances, please.
Shannon Walker, P 53794 on behalf of the people.
May it please the court, John Royal appearing on behalf of the defendant, the P2800.
Mr. Sayer, state your name for the record. Mr. Sayer, start your video feed, please.
Kevin Patrick Sayer.
And Mr. Sayer is before the court on 2 tickets, 1 count apiece from 7/23/20. And Ms. Walker, what is the people's position at this point in time?
Judge, at this time, the people would move to dismiss without prejudice. However, the people are still reviewing evidence from July 2020 and August 2020 and may reissue these tickets.
No objection to the dismissal.
Right. The court has heard the representation of the parties. The court is going to dismiss these matters. This dismissal will be non-prejudicial. It means there is the potential that this case or these cases could be reissued. At this point in time, Mr. Sayer, your cases are now dismissed. Both tickets, 1 count apiece. Sir, you may log off and continue on with your day.
Thank you, sir.
You are welcome. This is Ms. Scannell.
Yes.
On the record, U565099920, People v. Samantha Scannell. Ms. Scannell, state your name for the record, please.
Samantha Scannell.
Ms. Walker.
Shannon Walker, on behalf of the people move to dismiss without prejudice.
And Mr. Royal, is this one of your cases?
Yes, Your Honor. John Royal for the defendant, bar number P27800.
Mr. Royal, what is your position on the people's position?
No objection.
Right. At this point in time, this matter will be dismissed by people. That is also non-prejudicial. Matter is dismissed. Ms. Scannell, you may continue on with, you may log off and continue on with your day. Goodbye. Mr. Royal did, oh, there we go. Never mind, I found it. U565359920, People v. Tara Schneider, 1 ticket, 1 count. Ms. Walker, your name, please.
Shannon Walker, P 53794 on behalf of the people move to dismiss without prejudice.
Mr. Royal, your appearance and response.
May it please the court, John Royal on behalf of the defendant, Tara Schneider, bar number P27800. No objection to the city's motion.
Ms. Schneider, state your name. Snyder, connecting,
Yes.
ma'am. State your name, please.
My name is Tara Schneider.
This point in time, the matter is dismissed by the people. This is a non-prejudicial dismissal. There is a potential opportunity for this matter to be reissued. Ms. Schneider, your matter has been dismissed. You may log off and continue on with your day.
Thank you very much, everybody.
You're welcome. Next will be Christopher Scott. Here's Mr. Scott, has 2 matters before the court.
It's the same ticket number, Judge.
Oh, same, okay, same ticket number repeated. No, I don't have a problem finding Mr. Scott. It does not appear Mr. Scott has signed in today.
Mr. Royal, is Mr. Scott your client?
Yes.
Shannon Walker, on behalf of the people would move to dismiss and waive his appearance so long as counsel in this court agree.
John Royal, bar number P27800, on behalf of the defendant, no objection.
All right, so on U576066620, Mr. Scott's matter will be dismissed by the people. Non-prejudicial, presence waived. Matter is dismissed.
District Court Malfi.
It appears Mr. Setke similarly has not appeared for his hearing today. Mr. Adam Setke.
Yes.
Shannon Walker, P53794.
No.
Active.
360. 333.
I'm sorry, which defendant is this?
Adam Setke, SEDKY U5653480, people v. Adam Setke.
333.
May it please the court, John Royal, appearing on behalf of the defendant, P27800, no objection to the city's motion.
And the city's motion, Judge, is to dismiss without prejudice and waive the appearance of the defendant.
333. That's the courtroom.
Matter is presence will, the court will waive his presence. Matter is dismissed by people with non-prejudicial. Matter is dismissed on Adam Setke. Jeremiah Shackelford at this point. Jeremiah Shackelford, U575959920. Mr. Shackelford, what's going on here, Mr. Royal?
John Royal, on behalf of Mr. Shackelford.
Shackelford is not here either.
I don't know the answer to that, but we'd ask the court to waive his presence.
U575959920, people read Jeremiah Shackelford.
Shannon Walker, on behalf of the people, P53794, people move to dismiss and waive his appearance with counsel of the court's approval.
John Royal, P27800, on behalf of the defendant, no objection.
Matter will be dismissed by the people without prejudice. Mr. Shackelford. Presence was waived for the purpose of conducting this hearing. Shane Shami. All right, it appears Mr. Shami has two files, two different case numbers.
I have twice on my list, but same case.
Oh, same case number, I take that back. Same case number, same case number.
Is this Shane Shami, Judge?
Yes, U 563-39120, People v. Shane Shami. Ms. Walker, you may proceed. Does not appear Mr. Shami is in the waiting room.
Shannon Walker, P 53794, on behalf of the people who dismiss without prejudice and with waive the appearance of the defendant, waive to vote counsel in this court.
Mr. Roy,
John Royal, on behalf of the defendant, P 27800, no objection.
matters will be dismissed without prejudice by the people. Presence was waived on Mr. Shami.
Judge, I just got a text message from someone who's trying to observe the proceedings on YouTube, who sent me a message that they cannot access the court.
All right. I'm looking at myself on YouTube. I'm looking at us. I have YouTube up that's on like a 10-second delay. So, I mean, I'm looking at us in real time. Tell them, I don't know what they keyed in, but tell them to key in WC CR333. Maybe that'll shortcut them to something.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Wiley, do you have YouTube on your phone? Mr. Wiley, you're on mute.
Yeah, but I'm just doing the Zoom thing, Your Honor.
Never mind.
I'm not following along on YouTube.
All right, U565-11020, people be Robert Fort Shannon. Parents, please.
Shannon Walker, P 53794, on behalf of the people move for dismissal without prejudice. Mr. Shannon, if he is not here, he waive his presence with the approval of counsel and court.
John Royal, on behalf of the defendant, P 27800, no objection.
All right, matter will be dismissed by people without prejudice. Waive appearance. All right. Kylie Shock. Use 576-13120. People beat Kylie Shock. One ticket, one count, 129-21. Appearances, please.
Shannon Walker, P 53794, on behalf of the people move for dismissal without prejudice and waive the appearance, along with, so long as there's approval from counsel in this court.
Mr. Royal.
John Royal, on behalf of the defendant, P 27800, no objection.
Presence waived.
Presence is waived.
Matter is dismissed by people without prejudice. Set, shook. U575. Nine five 820, people be set, shook. Ms. Walker, your appearance on ticket one count.
Shannon Walker on behalf of the people, P53794, people with business without prejudice and getting the appearance of the total of counsel in the court.
John Royal, on behalf of the defendant, we ask the court to waive his presence. P27800, no objection to the city's motion.
Appearance is waived, matter is dismissed by the people without prejudice.
Judge, I just got a message back on it from the person who said they cannot access the court, who says they are trying to join on Zoom. The host won't let them in and cannot get on YouTube Live.
Okay, all right, what's their name?
This is a reporter, Eli Newman from WDET.
All right, Eli. All right. Tell Mr. Newman he's about to be admitted to the meeting room. Please tell him to keep himself on mute.
Will do, Judge.
Because everybody else is corralled in the meeting room. And people want, I don't know what the problem is. You all can double check YouTube to verify it while we're doing these hearings. If you want to, but while you're doing that, keep your YouTube on mute because it'll start giving feedback through your microphone here to the court. All right, were you able to send a message?
Yes, I did.
All right, being admitted now, and we're moving on to Moritz Sear. No, excuse me. All right, Mr. Sear, Mr. Sear.
Yep.
Are you there?
Yep, I'm here.
Okay, checking in. This is you, 565.
Yep.
31120.
Oh no, my phone number is 7.
No, that's your case number, Mr. Sear. That's your case number, Mr. Sear. Hold on. U 565-31120. Ms. Walker, your appearance, please.
Shannon Walker, 53794, on behalf of the people, that people would move to dismiss without prejudice.
John Royal, on behalf of the defendant, P27800, no objection to the city's motion.
Mr. Sear, state your name for the record, please.
Moritz Sear.
All right, all parties are present. The people's motion has been made to be dismissed. It's a non-prejudicial dismissal from the people that is being granted. Mr. Sear, your matter has now been dismissed, sir. You may continue on with your day.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir, you're welcome.
Bye.
All right, now court is moving to Mr. U565-225-225-205 people v. May mispronounce this, Kunal Shridhar. One ticket, one count before the court. Ms. Walker, your appearance.
Shannon Walker, P 53794 on behalf of the people. Is that person here?
Mr. Sridhar, state your name for the record. Forgive me for mispronunciation.
He's not in the court, Judge. I waive his presence. John Royal on behalf of the defendant, P27800, no objection to the city's motion.
Hey, I thought I just admitted it.
I saw something briefly as well. So.
He's here, he's here, he's here. Mr. Sridhar, can you hear us, sir?
There he is.
Kunal Sridhar. His name, well, all right, let's waive his presence. He may have problems with his connection, but his name is indicated, and he did timely check into the courtroom. So you have a response to the people's motion, Mr.
No objection, Your Honor.
What was that, Mr. Roy?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, matter will be dismissed by people without prejudice. Mr. Sridhar his name is indicated that he's connected, but it appears he is not fully connected. We'll waive his presence. And matter is just the one ticket, one count has now been dismissed. Moving on to Mr. Silverstein, Mr. Brian Silverstein.
Mr. Silverstein has two cases, Judge.
I think Mr. Silverstein may be just connected as Brian.
Yes, that would be him.
Sir, you're identified as Brian. Are you Brian Silverstein?
Yes, I am.
So, I have you 565-31620, Mr. Royal. And then Mr. Silverstein also has, let's see if he's on your other list.
He should be, Judge, but I don't see him on there.
What's that other case number?
Don't see it.
I've got it, Judge, if you need it.
Hold on just a moment. All right. You 565-31620, People v. Brian Silverstein, one ticket, one count. Mr. Royal, what is the other case number of Mr. Silverstein?
SP 109-58601.
Yes, ROA, please, Mr. Tooks. Thank you. Okay. There's also SP 106-58601. Disorderly conduct. Miss Walker, your appearance and position, please.
Shannon Walker, P 53794 on behalf of the people. In regards to case view 565-31620, the people would move to dismiss without prejudice. And in regards to the SP case that Mr. Royal just read the number into the record, the people would move to dismiss without prejudice, however, stating that they are still reviewing evidence from that incident date and may reissue.
May it please the court, John Royal, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Silverstein, bar number P27800. We have no objection to the city's motions.
Mr. Silverstein, state your name for the record, please.
My name is Brian Silverstein.
Silverstein, Mr. Silverstein, your one matter, U 565-31620, has been dismissed without prejudice. SP 109-58601 has also been dismissed without prejudice. Ms. Walker, who represents the people, states that the actual SP 109-58601 ticket is still part of an ongoing investigation. Mr. Silverstein, your 2 tickets, 1 count apiece, have both been dismissed at this point in time. Sir, you may log off and continue on with your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You are welcome. Parties now moving on to Ms. Simmons, Melody. U5603382. People v. Melody Ann Simmons, 1 ticket, 1 count. Ms. Simmons has established contact with this court. Ms. Simmons, start your video feed, please. 12921. Ms. Walker, your appearance.
Shannon Walker, P53794, on behalf of the people request dismissal without prejudice.
May it please the court, John Royal appearing on behalf of Ms. Simmons, bar number P27800. No objection to the city's motion.
Matter is Ms. Simmons, state your name for the record, please.
Melody Ann Simmons.
Matter is dismissed by the people without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Madam, you may log off and continue on with your day.
You have a good one.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Court is now moving to Mr. Slay. Mr. Harvey. Here, Harvey. Slay. U560333420, people v. Kari Slay. 1 ticket, 1 count. This is 12921. Ms. Walker, state your position, appearance and position, please.
Shannon Walker, P53794, on behalf of the people will move to dismiss without prejudice, and if the defendant is not present, would waive that appearance upon approval of counsel in this court.
Mr. Royal, your appearance and position.
May it please the court, John Royal on behalf of the defendant, P27800. We ask the court to waive the presence of the defendant. No objection to the city's motion.
Mr. Slay's position, presence has been waived. Matter is being dismissed by the city without prejudice.
Judge, this is Shanta Driver. I am seeing if I can make a special request for my 4 people to go next, because Judge Garrett is, I still need to go back to her court, and she's finished her housing cases at this point. So.
Is Simple one of your people?
No, my person for this list is the last person, Mondraco Whitaker. 3 people on the other
list. All right, Whitaker. U560366720, people v. Mondrico Whitaker, 1 ticket, 1 count. 12921. Ms. Walker, your appearance and position, please.
Shannon Walker, P53794, on behalf of the people would move to dismiss without prejudice.
Ms. Driver, your appearance and position, please.
Thank you. Shanta Driver, P65007. We accept the city's motion.
Mr. Whitaker, state your name for the record, sir.
Mondreco Whitaker.
Mr. Whitaker, your matter has been dismissed by the people without prejudice. Your one ticket, one count has been dismissed. Mr. Whitaker, you may log off and continue on with your day.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
You're welcome. And who are your other people, Mrs. Driver?
It's Elizabeth Claire, Alicia
St. Clair?
St. Clair, correct? Slayton.
All right, hold on. Going to her right now.
Okay, thank you.
That may be one that you may not have up there.
St. Clair is actually not on the docket for today. Hold on. Is Miss Slayton one of yours as well?
Yes, thank you.
All right, well, we're doing that. That's the St. Clair case number.
Okay.
Cue that one up while we do Slayton.
Yeah.
All right, I do believe Mrs. Slayton has timely checked into the courtroom on her matter. Now calling 565-35420, people v. Alyssa Slayton. Ms. Walker, your appearance and position, please.
I'm sorry, we have a U ticket.
Yes, U56, she's on your prosecution. U565-35420.
Does it also have her two SP cases?
Yes, 2 additional SP cases. Ms. Slayton.
SP 109-82911 and 109-82901. Is that correct, Attorney Driver? I have her having 3 cases.
Correct.
All right, hold on.
You need a printout?
Yep.
You got your list? Here's this.
Hold on.
What was it, Shannon?
SP 109-82911. And then SP 109-82901.
U565-35420, SP 109-82911, SP 109-82901. Ms. Walker, your appearance and position, please.
Shannon Walker, P 53794 on behalf of the people. With regards to U 565-35420, the people will move to dismiss without prejudice. In regards to SP 109-82911 and SP 109-82901, people would also move to dismiss without prejudice, stating it is still reviewing evidence and may reissue those 2 SP charges.
Ms. Driver, your position and appearance and position, please.
Yep, Shanta Driver on behalf of Alyssa Slayton. And we accept the city's motion to dismiss her cases with prejudice.
Ms. Slayton, state your name for the record, please.
Alyssa Slayton.
All 3 matters before the court have been dismissed by the city without prejudice. Counts 1 and 2 from 7/16/20 and the 1 count from 6/2/20. Ms. Slayton, your 3 counts have been dismissed. You may log off and continue on with your day, madam.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Returning to Ms. St. Clair. SP 1098296 This is Elizabeth St. Clair. One ticket, one count.
I have 2 tickets, Judge.
Yeah, 2 tickets before the court.
Same ticket, I mean 7-1 instead of 6-1. Is that correct, Attorney Driver? You have her in 2 tickets as well?
I have 2 tickets as well. Thank you.
All right.
Mr. Clerk, is SP
So they're ending in 7-1?
Yes.
This is just another one ending in 7-1.
Okay. Oh, it's in here.
Oh, you printed them both on? Oh,
This one.
all right, perfect. Oh, it's a snake it would have bitten. And SP 109829671. Ms. Walker, state your position and appearance and position, please.
Shannon Walker, P5379, on behalf of the people who move to dismiss without prejudice, indicating the still reviewing evidence and may reissue the charges.
Ms. Driver, your appearance, please.
Santa Driver, hearing for Elizabeth there, P65007, and we accept the city's.
Ms. St. Clair, state your name for the record, please.
Elizabeth St. Clair.
Ms. St. Clair, your 2 counts before the court have both been dismissed. Ms. St. Clair, you may log off and continue on with your day.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Ms. Driver, who's remaining for you?
Kate Stenvik, STENVIK.
Ms. Stenvik should have 2 matters before the court. I don't have Ms. Stenvik's name. Sorry, hold on.
Yeah, case number out front, Joe.
SP 109 6588.
What else? That's it.
And SP 109 7789. All right, SP 109-65881, SP 109-77891, People v. Kate Stenvik. Ms. Ms. Walker, state your position and appearance, please.
Shannon Walker, P53794, on behalf of the people who move to dismiss without prejudice ordinary indicated still reviewing evidence and may reissue charges. I'm not sure instead we was here, but we wait for appearance with the approval of council and the court issues that.
Ms. Stenvik is present. Ms. Driver, state your appearance and position, please. Hold on, Ms. Driver, you're breaking up horribly. Try to take it over, start it over, please.
Okay, can you hear me?
That's a lot better, that's a lot better.
Oh, it's not really. On behalf of, we, P6507, accept the offer. Thank you.
Ms. Stenvig, state your name for the record, please. Ms. Stenvig.
You're on
take
mute,
yourself-
Kate. You're still on mute.
All right, there you go. Ms. Stenvig, state your name for the record. All right, we see you, Ms. Stenvig. That's enough. Madam, your two counts before the court have both been dismissed. Both of these counts stemming from 7/16/20, they have been dismissed without prejudice. Ms. Stenvig, you may log off and continue on with your day.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Mr. Royal, for letting me jump the line.
No problem. Glad to help out.
Ms. Driver, have a nice day. This is U 565-10620, people v. Christopher James Smith. One taking into account, Ms. Walker, state your appearance and position, please.
Shannon Walker, P5379 on behalf of the people who dismissed without prejudice.
Mr. Royal, state your position and appearance, please.
May it please the court, John Royal, P27800, on behalf of Mr. Smith. We have no objection to the city's motion.
Mr. Smith, state your name for the record, sir.
Christopher Smith.
Mr. Smith, your one ticket, one matter before the court has been motioned to be dismissed by the people. Their motion is now a successful one because I have granted it. Your matter is dismissed. You may log off and continue on with your day, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Continuing on with Mr. Corey Smith. U 575-93120, people v. Corey Smith. I do not see a Mr. Corey Smith in the room. All right, U 575-93120, one ticket, one count, people v. Corey Smith. Ms. Walker, your appearance and position, please.
Shannon Walker on behalf of the people, P53794, with this court to dismiss without prejudice and waive the appearance of defendant with approval of counsel in this court.
May it please the court, John Royal, on behalf of Mr. Smith, we ask the court to waive his presence. My bar number is P27800. No objection to the city's motion.
All right, one ticket, one count before the court. Mr. Corey Smith's presence will be waived. Matters being dismissed without prejudice by people. U 560-30720, Alexander A. Smith, one ticket, one count, 129-21. Ms. Walker, your position and appearance, please.
Shannon Walker, P53794, on behalf of the people who dismissed without prejudice.
May it please the court, John Royal, on behalf of Mr. Alexander Smith, we waive his presence for purpose of this hearing and no objection to the city's motion.
Presence waived. City's motion is granted for the matter to be dismissed without prejudice. Did not appear Mr. Smith was in the waiting room. Moving on to U 560-36420, people v. Jake Andrew Smith. One ticket, one count, 129-21. Ms. Walker, your appearance and position, please.
Shannon Walker, P 53794, on behalf of the people who move to dismiss without prejudice.
Mr. Royal, your appearance and position, please.
John Royal, on behalf of Mr. Jake Smith, P 27800, we ask the court to waive his presence. No objection to the city's motion.
One ticket, one count. City's motion is granted. The matter is dismissed without prejudice. U 576-13520, People v. Justin Daniel Smith, 129-21. Ms. Walker, your appearance and position, please.
Shannon Walker, P 53794, on behalf of the people who move to dismiss without prejudice.
Mr. Royal,
May it please the court, John Royal, on behalf of Justin Smith, P 27800, we ask the court to waive his presence. No objection to the city's motion.
city's motion is granted. The matter is dismissed without prejudice. I'm waiving the appearance of Mr. Justin Daniel Smith. Mr. Wiley. Mr. Werbling has returned. Thank you for your help. Mr. Wiley, you may continue on with your day.
Thank you very kindly. Be well.
Thank you. Same to you. U 560-33920, People v. Nicholas Smith, one ticket, one count, 129-21. Ms. Walker?
Shannon Walker, P 53794, on behalf of the people move to dismiss without prejudice.
May it please the court, John Royal, on behalf of Nicholas Smith, P 27800, we ask the court to waive his presence. No objection to the city's motion.
Presence is waived. City's motion is granted. The matter is dismissed by the people without prejudice. Moving on to Ms. Safki. U 565-24920, People v. Sophia Safki, one ticket, one count, 129-21.
Yes.
Ms. Walker, your appearance and position, please.
Shannon Walker, P 53794, on behalf of the people move to dismiss without prejudice.
Mr. Royal, your position and appearance, please.
May it please the court, John Royal, on behalf of Ms. Sofsky, we have no objection to the city's motion. My bar number is P 27800.
Ms. Sofsky, state your name for the record.
Sophia Sofsky.
People's motion is being granted in this particular case. Ms. Sofsky, your one ticket, one count that was before the court has been dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you.
You may log off and continue on with your day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
You're welcome. On the record, U 576-13920, People v. Derek Shoza. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correct. Ms. Walker, your position and appearance, please.
Shannon Walker, P 53794, on behalf of the people move to dismiss without prejudice.
Royal.
May it please the court, John Royal on behalf of Mr. Sahoza, P27800. We ask the court to waive his presence. No objection to the city's motion.
City's motion will be granted. Matter is dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Sahoza's hearing will be waived for the purpose of the hearing. U565358220. People v. Ms. Lilith Solomon, one ticket, one count. This is 12921. Ms. Walker.
Shannon Walker, P5379, on behalf of the people move to dismiss without prejudice.
Royal.
John Royal on behalf of the defendant, P27800. We ask the court to waive her presence. No objection to the city's motion.
Presence will be waived. City's motion is granted. Matter is the one ticket, one count that was before the court is dismissed without prejudice. I think this is Mr. Worthley. Mr. Worthley, what's your client's name?
Mark Houston Stewart.
Mark Houston Stewart. He should be coming on. See if you recognize him. There's another Mark Stewart up there.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, that's my client, Judge.
Hi, Mr. Worthley. SP 1107400, People v. Mark Houston Stewart, one ticket, three counts. 12921. SP 1107400, count one, count two, count three. Event 8/23/20.
Thank you. Shannon Walker, P5379, on behalf of the people move for dismissal without prejudice, indicating it's still reviewing evidence and may reissue.
Mr. Worthley, your appearance and position, please.
And good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court. Attorney Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of Mr. Stewart, who appears by Zoom today, Your Honor.
Your position on Ms. Walker's motion?
Your Honor, I did not hear. I'm sorry, the audio kind of went out.
People move to dismiss without prejudice, indicating it's still reviewing evidence and may reissue the charges.
No objection. Thank you, Ms. Walker. No objection at this time, Your Honor.
Mr. Mark Stewart, state your name for the record.
Mark Stewart.
The people's motion will be granted to dismiss counts 1, count 2, and count 3. I think Ms. Walker put you on notice that the investigation is ongoing. Mr. Stewart, you may now log off and continue on with your day. Mr. Werbling, you may log off and continue on with your day.
Thank you, Judge.
All right.
U56038420, People v. Joseph Spagnuolo. Ms. Walker, 12921.
People move, Shannon Walker, P 53794, people move to dismiss without prejudice.
Mr. Royal,
May it please the court, John Royal on behalf of Mr. Joseph Spagnuolo. We have no objection to the city's motion. Oh, bar number P27800.
Mr. Spagnuolo, state your name for the record, please.
Joseph Spagnolo.
Mr. Spagnuolo, your one ticket, one count has been dismissed via people's motion. You may log off and continue on with your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. U576166120, People v. Jeremy Sparks. Ms. Walker, appearance and position, please. 12921.
Shannon Walker, P 53794, on behalf of the people move to dismiss without prejudice.
May it please the court, John Royal on behalf of Mr. Sparks, P27800. We ask the court to waive his presence. No objection to the city's motion.
Matter is dismissed via the people's motion that has been granted. Mr. Sparks' matter, and I'm also waiving his appearance. It doesn't appear he's connected. U56523020, People v. Jordan Staten. One ticket, one count. You may.
Shannon Walker, P 53794, on behalf of the people move to dismiss without prejudice.
No, may it please the court, John Royal on behalf of Mr. Stanton, P27800. We ask the court to waive his presence. No objection to the city's motion.
Matter will be dismissed by way of the people. Their motion is being granted. It is non-prejudicial dismissal. His presence is waived. U5760970, People v. Tristan Stevenson. Ms. Walker.
Shannon Walker, P 53794, on behalf of the people move to dismiss without prejudice.
May it please the court, John Royal on behalf of Mr. Stevenson. We ask the court to waive his presence. My bar number is P27800. We have no objection to the city's motion.
City's motion is granted. Matter is dismissed without prejudice to the people's motion. U560336620, People v. Bradley Stewart. Appearances, please.
Shannon Walker, P 53794, on behalf of the people move to dismiss without prejudice.
May it please the court, John Royal on behalf of Mr. Stewart, P27800. We ask the court to waive his presence. No objection to the city's motion.
Matter will be dismissed without prejudice based on the granting of the people's motion. Matter is dismissed. U565222420, People v. Dallas Stewart. One ticket, one count, 12921. Ms. Walker.
Shannon Walker, P 53794, on behalf of the people move to dismiss without prejudice.
May it please the court, John Royal appearing as attorney of record for Mr. Stewart, bar number P27800. At this time, we have no objection to the city's motion.
Mr. Stewart, state your name. Well, it does appear Mr. Stewart is, his name is indicated. However, he may have a compromised connection, but his name is indicated as someone who did timely check into the courtroom. So his matter will be dismissed without prejudice due to the people's motion. Matter is, one ticket, one count. Matter is dismissed.
Mr. Stewart, you're free to go.
This is SP 1107-800, People v. Marcel Stewart. Miss Walker, double check. Mike.
Count 1, 2, and 3.
Oh, you do that? It is, yes, it's a count 1, 2, and 3. 8, 23, 20.
Yes.
Oh, he's, no, Marcel Stewart's on.
Shannon Walker, on behalf of the people will be dismissed without prejudice. However, the aiders is still reviewing evidence and may reissue charges.
May it please the court, John Royal appearing as attorney of record for Mr. Marcel Stewart, P27800. We ask the court to waive his presence. No objection to the city's motion.
All right, matters will be dismissed by people. Count 1, count 2, and 3 dismissed without prejudice. Walker stated there's an ongoing investigation. U 560-30520, People v. Nathan Stokes. 1 ticket, 1 count before the court. Ms. Walker.
Shannon Walker, P 52794, on behalf of the people will be dismissed without prejudice.
May it please the court, John Royal, P27800, on behalf of Mr. Stokes, we ask the court to waive his presence. No objection to the city's motion.
Waive appearance, city's motion is granted. The one matter before the court has been dismissed without prejudice based on the city's motion. Mr. Royal, you might want to let your client know he has several warrants for his arrest out of this jurisdiction.
I will be sure he's notified, Judge.
That's some trash. I said the TV should have got nothing to do with this fight.
Mr. Stewart, you may log off and continue on with your day.
Yes, sir.
This is SP 1107-068, People v. Savannah Stone, 1 ticket, 3 count from 8/23/20.
Shannon Walker, P 53794, on behalf of the people would move to dismiss without prejudice, however, indicated there is no reviewing evidence and may reissue these charges.
May it please the court, John Royal appearing as attorney of record on behalf of Savannah Stone, bar number P27800. We have no objection to the city's motion.
Ms. Stone, state your name for the record.
Savannah Stone, Your Honor.
Good morning, Ms. Stone. People's motion is now being granted to dismiss these matters, extending to count 1, count 2, and count 3. Ms. Walker has stated that evidence is still under review in this case. Matters are dismissed without prejudice. Count 1, count 2, and count 3. Ms. Stone, you may log off and continue on with your day.
Thank you so much, Your Honor, and thank you, Mr. Royal.
You're welcome, Ms. Stone. U-565-12020, People v. Mary Stewart, 1 ticket, 1 count, 12921. Appearances, positions.
Shannon Walker, on behalf of the people, P 53794, people move to dismiss without prejudice.
May it please the court, John Royal appearing on behalf of Mary Stewart, bar number P27800. We have no objection to the city's motion.
All right. City's motion is being, or Ms. Stewart, state your name, please.
Mary Stewart.
The 1 ticket, 1 count, that's before the court. The city's motion is being granted to dismiss the matter without prejudice. Ms. Stewart, your matter has been dismissed based on the people's motion. Madam, you may log off and continue on with your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. U-576-07820, 12921, People v. David Sakura. Or Ms. Walker.
Shannon Walker, P 53794, on behalf of the people move to dismiss without prejudice.
May it please the court, John Royal on behalf of Mr. Sakura, bar number P27800. We ask the court to waive his presence and we have no objection to the city's motion.
Presence waived. Matter will be dismissed without prejudice based on the city's motion. The 1 ticket, 1 count before the court is now being dismissed. Now admitting Ms. Catherine Sumbler. SP 1103487, People v. Catherine Sumbler, 1 ticket, 3 counts from 8/23/20. Ms. Walker.
Shannon Walker, on behalf of the people, P 53794, people move to dismiss without prejudice, however, indicating it's still reviewing evidence and may reissue these charges.
Mr. Royal.
May it please the court, Your Honor, John Royal appearing as attorney of record for Ms. Sumbler. My bar number is P27800. We have no objection to the city's motion.
Ms. Sumbler, state your name for the record, please.
Catherine Sumbler.
Ms. Sumbler, your 1 ticket, 3 counts is now being dismissed on people's motion. However, Ms. Walker, the representative from the people, has indicated that evidence is still under review. But as for today, 1 ticket, 3 counts, dismissed without prejudice. Ms. Sumler, you may now log off and continue on with your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You are welcome. This is U565-21420. People be Jamie Wagner, 1 ticket, 1 count before the court.
Walker P 53794 on behalf of the people move to dismiss without prejudice.
May it please the court, John Royal appearing on behalf of Jamie Wagner. My bar number is P27800. We have no objection to the city's motion.
Mr. Wagner, Miss Wagner, state your name for the record.
Jamie Wagner.
Mr. Wagner. Mr. Wagner, your 1 ticket, 1 count has been dismissed on people's motion. That dismissal is without prejudice. Mr. Wagner, your case has been dismissed as far as today is concerned. You may log off and continue on with your day.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. U565-21920, People v. Jordan Walker, 12921.
Shannon Walker P 53794 on behalf of the people move to dismiss without prejudice.
May it please the court, John Royal appearing on behalf of Jordan Walker, bar number P27800. We ask the court to waive his presence. We have no objection to the city's motion.
Mr. Walker's presence has been waived. Matter has been dismissed based on people's motion. The dismissal is non-prejudicial. Moving on to U575-80820, People v. Amanda Washburn, 1 ticket, 1 count.
Shannon Walker P 53794 on behalf of the people move to dismiss without prejudice.
May it please the court, John Royal on behalf of Ms. Washburn, P27800. We ask the court to waive her presence, and we have no objection to the city's motion.
City's motion is granted. Matter will be dismissed without prejudice. The appearance of Ms. Washburn is being waived. U576-06820, People v. Jalen Washington, 12921.
Shannon Walker on behalf of the people P 53794 people move to dismiss without prejudice.
May it please the court, John Royal on behalf of Mr. Washington, P27800. No objection to the city's motion. We ask the court to waive his presence.
Matter will be dismissed. His presence will be waived. Dismissal is based on the granting of the people's motion to dismiss the matter without prejudice. Mr. Washington. On the record, SP 1106942, People v. John Sipple, 1 ticket, 3 counts, from 8/23/20. Ms. Walker,
Shannon Walker, P 53794, on behalf of the people who are moving to dismiss without prejudice, however indicating they are still reviewing evidence and may raise concerns.
May it please the court, John Royal appearing as attorney of record for John Sipple. My bar number is P 27800. Mr. Sipple is present. We have no objection to the city's motion.
Mr. Sipple, state your name for the record. You have an indication that Mr. Sipple is connected to the courtroom, but his connection may be compromised. The matter will be, the counts 1, count 2, and count 3 are going to be dismissed based on the granting of the people's motion. Ms. Walker stated that evidence is still under review in that particular case. Here's Mr. Sipple.
I think Mr. Sipple just got into the courtroom, Judge.
Mr. Sipple, can you hear us, sir?
Maybe not.
All right, well, he did timely check into the courtroom. His connection may be compromised. U 565-20220, People v. Matthew Willis, 1 ticket, 1 count, 129/21.
Shannon Walker, on behalf of the people who move to dismiss without prejudice.
May it please the court, John Royal appearing as attorney of record for Mr. Matt Willis. My bar number is P 27800. Mr. Willis is present. We have no objection to the city's motion.
Mr. Willis, state your. Mr. Willis is another person has indicated he's connected, but Willis. Mr. Willis, can you hear me?
Hi there, are you talking me?
Are you Matthew Willis? Oh, Miss Solomon. Miss Solomon, your matter, I believe your matter has already been taken care of.
Okay.
Mr. Royal has timely checked. You're Lilith Solomon?
I am, yes.
Mr. Royal, your attorney has checked in on your case already and done everything that was necessary. The matter has been dismissed without prejudice. You may now log off and continue on with your day.
Thank you so much. You both have a good rest of your day. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Mr. Willis, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can.
Is there a problem with your video feed, Mr. Willis?
All right, should be
Mr.
working.
Willis, state your name for the record.
Matthew Wills.
Mr. Wills, okay, Mr. Wills. Mr. Wills, your 1 ticket, 1 count that has been before the court is now being dismissed based on a granting of the people's motion. Sir, your matter is dismissed. You may log off and continue on with your day.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You're welcome. Okay, there's two remaining people in the waiting room who I'm unidentified. All right, so hold on. I need Lincoln Wagner. No, Lincoln, the middle name is Zuzu.
What's the ticket number?
Zoo Hathaway Wenger, Judge.
SP 10885271 and 72.
Shannon Walker on behalf of the people.
Oh, hold on, no, I'm not calling it. Yeah, no, and there's another stray individual. Doesn't appear to be, on the surface, does not appear to be associated with the case. Maybe someone is using a device that is someone else, that is owning someone.
Judge, you just admitted Verbena Leah. Verbena Leah is the administrator for the Detroit National Lawyers Guild chapter. She's here to assist you.
Oh. Thinking that's a good thing. All right. All right, thank you, Mr. Tooks. SP 10885272, SP 10885272, People v. Lincoln Wanger. This is from 6-2. Ms. Walker, your appearance, please.
Shannon Walker, P53794 on behalf of the people will be dismissed without prejudice.
May it please the court, John Royal, bar number P27800, appearing as attorney of record on behalf of Mr. Wenger. Mr. Wenger is present and we have no objection to the city's motion.
Mr. Wenger, state your name for the record. Take yourself off mute, sir. Mr. Wenger, you're not fully connected. One ticket, both counts, or both counts before the court will be dismissed without prejudice based on the granting by the people. People's motion is being granted. Mr. Wenger, Mr. Wenger was fully connected for a moment, Mr. Royal, and then he disconnected.
I think he just got in.
Oh, Miss Wenger.
It's Mr. What's up? Hello. Good morning,
Hey,
Judge.
Mr. Wenger, hold on, Mr. Wenger. Be careful with this. What's up, sir? You're on the record in court right now.
I'm sorry. Yeah.
Wenger, I'm Judge Blount. I'm sorry. It was kind of hard to identify you because we could only see basically your forehead and above. Mr. Lincoln Wagner.
Good morning, Judge.
State your name for the record, sir.
Lincoln Zoo Hathaway Wenger.
Mr. Wenger, your two counts that have been before the court this morning are now being dismissed based on the people's motion. Mr. Royal appeared on your behalf and made sure that that was put on the record. Sir, your two matters have been dismissed. You may now continue on with your day.
Thank you very much, Judge. I really appreciate it. I'm sorry about that.
Well, welcome, Mr. Wenger. All right. All right, there's some remaining cases. I feel like God, Jeff. U 5760670 People v. Jeffrey Weber.
Shannon Walker, P 5379 on behalf of the people who move to dismiss without prejudice.
May it please the court, John Royal, on behalf of Mr. Weber, P27800, we ask the court to waive his presence. No objection to the city's motion.
This is 12921. Matter is dismissed without prejudice by people. Presence waived. Dismissal is based on the granting of the people's motion. Mr. Royal, has anyone contacted you again and said they've had a problem with the streaming?
Not that I've seen. No, I don't think so.
Okay, because I'm streaming it. I can see it on my phone as well. We're definitely streaming like we're supposed to.
If I could ask Ms. Verbena-Leyer, maybe she has some information. Verbena, do you know if
She should be connected.
It does look like it's on YouTube now.
Okay.
so? Thank you, Judge.
Yes. Now, Mr. Wagner. Josh. U 565-21520, Joshua Wagner, 1 ticket, 1 count. This is 12921. Ms. Walker, appearance and position, please.
Shannon Walker, P 5379 on behalf of the people move to dismiss without prejudice.
John Royal, bar number P27800, appearing on behalf of Mr. Wagner. We ask the court to waive his presence. No objection to the city's motion.
Matter will be dismissed based on the granting of the people's motion. The matter is dismissed without prejudice. His presence is waived. U 576-02320, People v. Julie Ann White. This is 12921. Walker.
I don't have that on my list. What is the incident date?
Incident date is 5/31/20.
That's fine, Judge. Shannon Walker, P 5379 on behalf of the people move to dismiss without prejudice.
Judge, could I have that case number once again, please?
That is U 576-023.
John Royal, appearing as a, I'm sorry.
Go ahead. That's the number. That's the full number.
John Royal.
Miss Silver appeared on this one, Mr. Royal.
John Royal, appearing on behalf of Ms. White, P27800. We ask the court to waive her presence. No objection to the city's motion.
All right, presence waived. City's motion is granted. The matter is being dismissed without prejudice. 1 ticket, 1 count. U 576-10220, People v. Theodore Jeffrey White, 1 ticket, 1 count. Ms. Walker.
Shannon Walker, P 5379 on behalf of the people move to dismiss without prejudice.
May it please the court, John Royal, P27800, on behalf of Mr. White, we ask the court to waive its presence and no objection to the city's motion.
All right, matter will be dismissed based on the city's motion. That dismissal is a non-prejudicial one. His presence is waived.
Judge, there's one defendant that I'm not sure we covered.
And who was that, Mr.?
Lloyd Simpson.
I agree, we haven't covered it. You got a sec, other list.
Lloyd Simpson. I do see that. Did not have a file on Mr. Simpson. Mr. Tooks, that would be SP11.
Oh, second.
Zero, 441 and 00013.
He's got another ticket too, Judge.
A third count?
We have two counts.
I've got the number if you need it.
Yes, a third count. Go ahead, Mr. Roy.
SP 109-58261.
What's his name again?
This is Lloyd.
Can you get that SP number again and then match up?
SP 109-58261.
Did you need that one for anything? Who was in the printer? That's what that's.
Now calling SP 11000-131. SP 109-58261. And he should have a third count over there, Mr. Took. Did you get SP 11000-141? I am calling SP 11000-141, People v. Lloyd Simpson. Total of 3 counts before the court. Ms. Walker.
Shannon Walker, P53794, on behalf of the people move to dismiss without prejudice, however indicating they are still reviewing evidence and may review charges.
The Royal.
May it please the court, John Royal, appearing on behalf of the defendant, P27800. We ask the court to waive Mr. Simpson's presence. We have no objection to the city's motion.
City's motion will be granted to dismiss the matter. Matter is dismissed without prejudice by the people. Ms. Walker has indicated that there is an ongoing review of evidence in this case. And that is on
That's all I have, Judge.
one take for a total of all 3 counts. All right, that appears to be everything.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Have a good weekend. Stay safe.
Yes, same to you. I believe that concludes the docket of Judge Christopher M. Blount for the morning docket of 1/29/21. All parties may log on and continue on with their day.